How to change avatar on Facebook Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your avatar on Facebook Messenger. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Messenger. After you open up your Messenger, make sure you're logged in into your account. Then what you can do is tap on the three lines on the bottom right corner. After you're on the menu, that is the three lines, what you'll then need to do is search for settings. Tap on settings, and after you tap on settings, scroll down a bit and there you should see the avatar option. Tap on avatar, and after you tap on avatar, you will see your current avatar. What you can then do is tap on the edit avatar option, and after you tap on it, you can then change your avatar. So simply change your avatar to what you want it to look like. So you can change its top, you can change its hair, you can change its makeup, face, body, and stuff like that. So let me change it to something really basic here. Let me just change the outfit is in. So let's do that. This is fine. So yeah, let's simply change its overall size. And after you change the overall style of this avatar, you can then tap on save on the top right. Now tapping on the save can take some time, but after some time you'll see avatar updated pop up and you can then just cross it out. And there you can see you've just changed your avatar on Facebook Messenger. And that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.